pastry mix. So he's baking foods. What's the one? Pastry mix. And he added water in it. Water. It's my honey bomb. My honey.
Hi honey. I added some salt too. Because it's savoury pastry. Because I'm making savoury stuff. If I was making a fruit pie, I might add a little bit of sugar.
Alright.
Can you unwrap some of that cling film, please? Go on then.
So we'll wrap it with a cling film and then put it in the fridge. For how long, Ham?
Until I'm ready. Just put it in the fridge. I'll put it in there till I'm ready to use it.
Alright.
I've got to prepare the other ingredients now.
So just put this.
Yeah.
There's the cheese. What kind of cheese is that?
This is cheddar
Cheddar cheese
and parmesan I'm putting in.
and parmesan cheese.
So you've got two nice flavours.
Smash the carrots, potatoes, and what else, huh? Just carrots and potatoes.
No, now we add the onions and the cheese.
Alright, add the onions. Look at the cheese. Mix it all together.
What are you telling me? Well, you've never made
He's a baking master. He's a chef.
pastry chef.
Pastry chef. But he never passed his final, what do you call that one?
Yeah, never took one, that's why.
That's why he ends up as a carpenter.
Engineer.
That's a dough. Is that a dough?
This is dough.
Dough.
A deer.
Dough.
A female deer.
A deer. A dough. A deer.
Rain, I drop a golden sun. Me, a name, I call myself. Far along with run.
Read. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Right, I don't have a rolling pin, so I've got an old bottle.
Good idea. Roll, roll, roll.
Now, any aficionados in pastry cooking here will probably be having a fucking heart attack. But, but I'm doing the best I can with what I've got. So, now, we put the Hawaiian mix in.
The Hawaiian mix. That is cheese,
Onion,
onions,
potato,
carrots, and
carrot.
potatoes.
Parmesan and cheddar cheese. Yummy. Yummy.
So oven is ready now.
Nearly.
Nearly. That's the one.
Hold on. A bit of salt and pepper.
One. So this is his recipe today. Hawaiian. What do you call this one, huh?
This is a Hawaiian tart.
Hawaiian tart.
Yeah.
Oh, this one?
That's Hawaiian pasties.
Hawaiian pasta.
Yeah. No
And
one can,
Hawaiian tart. Hawaiian pasty.
and no one can tell me they're not. Just had a few chives to the top of it.
Looks perfect.
Oh yeah.
There you go. That's enough.
Who's the pastry chef here, me or you?
You.
There you go.
Alright then. Okay.
That's enough. Run out.
One out,
There.
Now. Yeah, put it in oven for how long?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. 40 minutes in the oven.
Or until I decide to take it out.
Until it's get burned. So that will
Yummy.
stay there for
There we go.
40 minutes.
What's time now?
So this is the one.
It's.
Look, it's really hard.
Shut up! Fucking hard. It's not hard. They're baked, aren't they? They're meant to be like that. I've got to separate them now. If you've got nothing nice to say, you better shut the fuck up.
Looks really nice though. It's really hard this one. Look how hard is that one. It's like a brick.
Will you shut the fuck up out of the window? Hold on, it's stuck a little bit.
Doesn't look like a...
There. There's one. Got a plate. Look, I can't just put them in willy-nilly in the area. It's fucking one.
That looks yummy.
Yummy. I told you. Yummy. Oh, I should tell these for Phil. Tell him Greg's is reopened. Phil, get the next flight here. Fuck me, Greg is open in Philippines, love. I better get over there. Michelle, come on.
Oh, you forgot to put something underneath.
Yeah.
It's stuck.
Hey? I'm not stuck, love. It's just stuck.
Yeah. You forgot to put something under. Oh no.
Hun, please.
It's a cook.
Look at that.
Look.
Greg's will be fucking chuffed to pieces with this.
You can even get it with your 2 spoons now. It's too hard.
Hey?
Hard.
Have you got nothing nice to say, please?